Welcome to the Kalzip Training Centre, where innovation meets expertise. Here, we equip professionals with the skills and knowledge to master Kalzip systems. Our training courses are designed to ensure optimal performance of Kalzip systems. From technical classroom sessions to practical roof rig simulations, every element is tailored to the industry needs.
Yeah, training at Kalzip's been great. It's points you in the right direction if it's something that you're not really sure about. It's given me a lot of knowledge on stuff I didn't know. So yeah, it's good, really good.
The hands-on training at Kalzip has been invaluable. Learning with the experts and practicing real-world scenarios has boosted my confidence in installation.
Our goal is to ensure that every participant leaves with the confidence and the knowledge to excel in their projects. This is more than just training, it's about building lasting expertise. With a range of CITB-approved courses and the commitment to best practices, Kalzip's training ensures your team stays ahead of the industry standards.
If you want to enhance your skills and knowledge, Kalzip Training Centre is the place to be.
Join us at the Kalzip Training Centre and take the next step in your professional journey.